Here I'm going to show you how you can do some cool text effects with a background shadow look. Here we are on the timeline. We have the project file that made what you just saw. It is a normal text file here on the top. I just made a cool text. Then I went into it, changed the outlines and stuff, and put a little green border on it in the effects. Draw outline and a dark green. But for the shadow look, what we did is another copy of the exact same thing right below it. I went into here. Let's look at what media effects we have on here. First we have a blur. I set a Gaussian blur at 0.06, roughly 6.1, whatever. Just around 6 or 7. And so we set that as a blur. So that blurred the background. Then we put a wave. We have these settings on the wave filter through here. And we also set some keyframes. Right here we have keyframes, so it has it actually progress as the video goes through. So we can kind of go ahead and turn this top one off so we can just focus on what we're working on. We can see how the wave effect looks. Now that's keyframe, so we have it progressing as it goes. Another thing which is kind of cool is the light ray effect, which has also been keyframed. The way we do that one, let's look at that. We have this light source. You can control where the light source is, and you can also do the keyframes to make that light source go across. Another thing, a little trick that I like to do on the keyframes, on the light rays, is make them smooth. If you don't have it smooth, it tends to look like it's kind of jerky when it finishes the light ray sequence. See, I have the strength. As you can see, the strength right over here, I put it at 0, but it tends to go too quickly and it makes it look kind of jerky, so I like to make it smooth. So anyways, that's just kind of a couple little effects you can do for text. Please visit on the web at javidsvideo.com/Vegas for more detailed, higher resolution images.